Dear students of BSc 3, today we will see about the legumes, its origin, botanical name, morphology, sources and economic importance of gram and soybean. Dried beans and pulses are called as legumes. Annual and perennial plants, bush or climber of Leguminaceae family or subfamily Papilionaceae, includes beans and pulses. It is edible, protein-rich seeds containing pod type of fruits are produced on these legume type of plants. It is considered as a source of the human food. Roots of leguminous plants enhance the soil nitrogen percentage. Nearly 13,000 varieties of legumes are useful as a industrial, medicinal, food and fodder plants. The green leguminous plants are used as green manures. When the green protein-rich entire plants are buried in the soil, they are an excellent fertilizer and greatly increase the soil fertility. Economically important legumes are described in this economic botany. First, we will see about Cicer aratinum from family Leguminosae, subfamily Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. Its common name is chickpea or Bengal gram, and vernacular name is chana or harbara. Seeds are used as a source of plant. We will start to study this plant. First, we will see about introduction. It is cultivated plant. The species is introduced in India. It is considered to have originated in the region lying between Caucasus and Himalaya mountain. From this region, it has spread into South Europe, Egypt and India. It is genus with 24 species. It is one type of annual herb. It is distributed in Western Asia. Two species found in India, and Cicer aratinum is one of the important pulse crop. Then we will study about the morphology. It is an erect or spreading, much branched annual herb with 2 feet height. Leaves are pinnately compound and small. Leaflets are oval in size. All the parts are covered with glandular hairs. The pods are oblong with 1 or 2 seeds. Seeds are rounded with pointed anterior end with smooth and wrinkled coats. Brown, yellow or white colored seeds are present in Cicer aratinum. The crop is well adapted to arid and subarid region. It becomes ready for harvesting within 90 days. This figure shows entire plant of Cicer aratinum showing fruit, leaflets and flowers. Stem, roots are the parts of the plant. Now we will study about area of cultivation in India. East Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh are important states for cultivation of gram. Varieties under cultivation. The varieties are divisible into two types such as brown colored variety and white colored variety. Brown or Deshi is most widely grown variety, while white or Kabuli is cultivated only in some area. Some improved varieties are BR65, BR77, BR17, ST4, T87, Chafa WB75, CO1, Warangal, Ujjayan PB7, NP28 and Gwalior 3. In the next part, we will see the economic importance of gram. Gram seeds are eaten raw, roasted and cooked. Seeds are used for saltish and sweet preparation. It is consumed in form of split dal or gram atta. Germinated gram seeds form an important medicine to cure deficiency of vitamin. The disease of scurvy is cured with the help of these germinated gram seeds. It is an important horse food. It is used raw or soaked in water. The husk, broken bits of fried gram are used as a cattle food. Dry stem leaves obtained during threshing form useful as a cattle food. Green young leaves are with citric acid and oxalic acid. Green young leaves are used as a vegetable. It is nutritive pulse with source of protein in starchy diet. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals. Starch in the gram seeds is suitable for textile sizing and an adhesive for commercial plywood that is obtained from gram seeds. All aerial parts covered with glandular hair. These hairs exude an acrid liquid known as aam or khati. The liquid khati is collected by spreading tin, white clean cloth over the crop at night. The cloth absorbs the exudation with dew. The cloth is then wrung out and the liquid is collected. Khati is rich in malic acid and oxalic acid. It is used medicinally for the cure of dyspepsia and indigestion. It is also useful medicine to cure diarrhea and dysentery. Let us start to study the second type of leguminous plant, Cajanus cajan, from family Leguminosae, subfamily Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. Its common name is red gram pigeon pea or Congo pea. The vernacular name of this plant is arhar or tur. Seeds are the main source of the plant. According to De Candolis' theory of origin of cultivated plant, Cajanus cajan is a native of tropical Africa and introduced 3000 years ago into India. It is a monotypic important genus distributed in tropics and cultivated extensively for its edible seeds. It is mainly grown as a kharif crop. It shows near about 86 different species. These plants are with different height, habit, time of maturity, color, shape, size of pods and seeds. These types are divided into two varieties. For example, arhar, Cajanus cajan, variety bicolor, and tur, Cajanus cajan, variety flavus. Morphology of arhar variety plant. Plant is perennial, large, bushy and late maturing variety. Plant shows purple streaked yellow flowers and dark colored pods containing 4 to 5 seeds. Then tur variety plant is annual, small and early maturing variety. Plant shows yellow flowers and plain pods containing 4 to 5 seeds. This diagram shows pods, seeds, stem, branches, leaves. These are the parts of the plant. Then we will see about the area of cultivation in India. Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh are important states for cultivation of gram. Some improved varieties under cultivation are BR5, BR10, BR17, BR183, BR59, NPC15, NP41, PT301, K132, F18, F62, Tagore 1, Cajanus number 7 and T84. At the end, we will study about the economic importance of the gram. Both immature green and ripe dried seeds are good source of protein in balanced diet. The whole seeds from green pods are used as a vegetable, while seeds from mature pods are used in form of the split dal. The leaves and young twigs are used as a fodder. The pericarp and husk are separated during threshing and in the preparation of split seeds or dal. Dry woody stalks of the plant are used for the basket making. These stalks are also used as a fuel. These stalks are used to prepare roof and hard skeleton of mud walls. Plants are used for checking soil erosion due to deeply penetrating root system. Plants are grown on the sides or borders of tea plantation and coffee plantation for providing shades to these plants. The enzyme urease is obtained from the seeds, is used in estimation of urea in blood and urine. The seeds have antihelmintic and leaves have anti-inflammatory properties. The green parts of the plant are used as a green manure. Like this pulse crop are important leguminous crops. Thank you.